The book, 50 Great Myths of Popular Psychology, by Scott Lilienfeld, co-authored by Stephen J. Lin, John Rocchio, and Barry Barstein, aims to debunk misconceptions and myths that have spread in popular psychology, offering explanations grounded in scientific evidence. The book addresses 50 common myths associated with psychology, explaining how they emerged, why people believe them, and the scientific evidence that contradicts them. Book structure. The book is divided into chapters, each covering a set of myths related to a specific topic. It introduces each myth by stating the common belief, then debunks it based on psychological research and studies, and finally provides the scientifically accurate explanation. It also delves into how these myths originated and spread in popular culture. Main topics of the book. Rational and cognitive thinking. The book starts by debunking myths related to human thinking, such as the belief that people use only 10% of their brains or that hypnosis can help people recall precise details from their past. Memory. It discusses myths about memory, such as the idea that memory is like a video camera, or that it is easy to recall accurate details, while in reality, human memory is often inaccurate and influenced by emotions and external factors. Learning and self-development. The book tackles misconceptions about learning, like the myth that each person has a specific learning style that should be utilized to achieve better results, example, visual or auditory learner. Criminal psychology. It debunks myths surrounding criminal psychology and investigations, such as the belief that polygraph tests are 100% reliable. Social psychology. It discusses myths about social behavior and interaction, like the belief that boosting self-esteem is the key to academic and professional success, while evidence suggests that success may help build self-esteem rather than the other way around. Evolutionary psychology. The book debunks myths related to evolutionary psychology, such as the belief that all human behavior is determined by genetic factors or that psychological traits are purely hereditary. Mental health and therapy. The book addresses misconceptions about mental health and therapy, such as the belief that people with schizophrenia have multiple personalities or that unscientific therapies are effective. Some popular myths discussed. Myth: we use only 10% of our brains. Truth: this claim has no scientific basis. Research shows that almost the entire brain is active at different times, even during sleep. Myth: dreams have fixed symbolic meanings. Truth: while dreams may reflect fears or daily experiences, there is no scientific evidence supporting the idea of universal symbols that can be interpreted uniformly. Myth: exposure to violent media makes people more violent. Truth: although repeated exposure to violent content may desensitize people to violence, the scientific evidence regarding its actual impact on behavior is inconclusive. Myth: self-confidence is the key to success. Truth: success in life doesn't rely solely on self-confidence, skills, hard work, and opportunities play a significant role. Why do people believe these myths? The book explains why these myths spread and persist, even though they are inaccurate. Some reasons include confirmation bias. We tend to seek information that confirms our pre-existing beliefs. Cognitive simplification. People prefer to simplify complex matters, making them more likely to absorb myths than facts. Media and cinema. The media plays a major role in spreading these myths, as movies and TV shows often portray inaccurate scientific information. Conclusion. The book is a valuable resource for understanding how myths have become prevalent in popular psychology and how to differentiate between fact and fiction in this field. The authors recommend verifying sources of information and not accepting everything portrayed in the media or widely believed without scientific evidence to support it.